Hi guys, welcome back to Gearjunkies TV and a new video. Today we're gonna take a look at the new Mastering the Mix plugin Reso. Reso is a dynamic resonance suppressor that helps you quickly identify and resolve resonances in your audio. It is a plugin in all formats that you can use on all kinds of tracks in your DAW projects, for example drums, synths, buses and even on the master. We're going to show you how it works and what it can do for your mix. But first, you can stay informed about all our videos by subscribing to our channel. Just click the subscribe button below the video and you can hit the bell button to get notifications when there's something new on our channel. Reso can help you find nasty resonance frequencies in your mix. These frequencies can take up a lot of energy. It makes your mix sound harsh and it can suppress the actual details and transients that you want to hear. Traditionally, you can spot them by looking at the frequency analysis or create a high Q EQ band and move it through the frequencies, like this. This takes up a lot of time and experience to spot the resonances, as all frequencies can sound harsh using this method. And the Reso helps you by analyzing the resonances and set EQ points where they are needed. You can then monitor the results and adjust them yourself to your liking. Let me show you how this works. Let's put a Reso plugin on the same track that we were just listening to and start playing the track. And we press calculate targets. Here we go. The red spots here are indicators where the resonance frequencies are possibly a problem and where they should be corrected. You press engage targets and then immediately the plugin starts to work. Now you can see here on the red line what is actually done by the plugin. So this is the reduction of the different frequencies, and by going to one of the points you can see some more details. As you can see, there's a Q which is automatically calculated by the plugin depending on the frequency it has selected and the amount of reduction that you need. Now we can listen to the delta. This means we just listen to the differences that the plugin takes out, like this. Which can be helpful, and of course you can make changes yourself by going to one of the spots here, and you can enable or disable them separately. You can solo them like this. And also you can select multiple points, for instance, to increase or decrease the amount of effect. You can do this with individual points as well, and by holding Ctrl you can move up or down the amplitude of the deduction, and by pressing Shift you can move through the frequency band. Now if you want to add some points yourself, you just double click and adjust to your liking. So that's not all. You can also check the bands by using this button. And now you can just move through the complete field of frequencies to see what's going on everywhere. This can be helpful in maybe adding some fields of your own. For instance, maybe I would like to suppress a little bit of this frequency as well. And make some adjustments here. Finally, you can monitor the differences here by temporarily disabling the plugin, or you can adjust the final output and input levels, and you can change them. So if you move the input gain, the output gain will automatically decrease by the same value. Or you can use this to set a mixture between input and output. There's also an A/B function. So if, for instance, I would like this setting and want to try a different setting as well, I can first copy it to the B, and then maybe make some changes here, see what changing the levels does. And now I can switch between these two and adjust accordingly if needed. So the tracks in this song were recorded with a modular synthesizer and drum computers straight to the audio interface. There was no EQ or compression done before, so there are a lot of sort of raw sounds in there. Let's check some of the tracks and make adjustments with Reso, and then monitor what the overall result is. First, I will let you hear a fragment of the track as it is now. There are no instances of resonance active, except the one we just used for the example. So I'll just clear this one and just play back the whole track. Now we check the various tracks and buses to see what we can improve with Reso. Let's go back to the snare that we just started with and take it from there. Check this drum computer. This is a chip-tuned drum computer, so it contains a lot of nasty frequencies. Let's see what Reso can do with this. Let's try this again. Here we go. We want to increase the effect a little bit like this and see what the difference is. Let's check what else we can do here. Let's check the drum bus for a minute. And put some Reso there and see if we can make some changes here as well. Let's monitor the frequency. This is also quite resonant, but let's see, maybe we can change this a little bit. That's a bit too much, I think. So let's move it up. check some of the other sounds. Let's take a look here. This is quite a nasty chord player. Put Reso on it and see what it does. Here we go. And what do we have here? This is an 8-bit sample player with some bit reductions, so also here we have a lot of nasty resonances, as you can hear. And even these could benefit from a bit more, I think, because there's quite a lot of harshness here. Let's see the difference between engaged and unengaged. It's quite a difference. Do we need it here? Probably not. So let's take a look at the complete mix. And maybe put resonance on the master bus as well to see if there's anything that we need to change here. There's still quite some nastiness here, so let's put another point here. This is how it sounds with the Reso corrections applied. So, what do we think of Reso? It is very capable of finding resonances in your mix. It will save you a lot of time and with good results. It is easy to use, and the various monitoring options give you good insights on what you can adjust yourself for the final settings. All in all, it can really make a difference in how a mix sounds and how you can use it on any kind of source material that needs adjusting. I recommend you try it for yourself. There's a 14-day trial available on the website. Please check the link below our video for that. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. And do you want to see more of our videos, then subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.